going to go to James. We got a lot of J names in the queue tonight. James, good evening. What can we help you with?
Hey, James.
I had a wreck back in April of last year, and my airbags didn't deploy. And I want to know if I could go after the manufacturer, because the airbags didn't deploy. My face was beat up on the steering wheel, cracked 2 ribs, and hurt my left foot. But I know my left foot didn't have anything to do with the bags, but my face did, because it got, I got a picture. I mean, I look like I've been beat up by a boxer.
I believe it. Matthew, you've done these before.
I have, James, and you know, we get that a lot too, and that's something kind of people talk about. First of all, you know, if you were to come in, or any lawyer you hire in this particular situation, one of the first things they need to verify is, were there any recalls concerning your particular vehicle? Because, you know, it happens frequently, recalls. They've had airbag recalls for sure, so that would be the first thing kind of looked at. And the second thing is, you know, we have what's called accident reconstructionists. They have the ability to go, there's actually like a black box like an airplane has in your vehicle. They're able to go in there, and they're able to do diagnostics to see, why did your airplane not deploy? Okay?
How about that?
Was there a malfunction? Did something go wrong? Did it act the way it's supposed to? Sometimes they're supposed to deploy, sometimes they're not. So we would send someone out to look at that to make sure that everything functioned properly. If it didn't, well, then there's a problem.
Right.
If there's a recall and you didn't know about it, there's a problem. And then sometimes you could be on the front end, right? We could identify a problem with your particular airbag that folks has not really kind of risen to that level where it's out there in the public domain. So we look at all those aspects, and that's one of the things we do. So for sure,
that's a great
point.
Look
at all that.
He could be the first of other ones coming up.
Absolutely.
That's a great point.
There's always got to
Matthew.
be the first case. Yep,
James,
absolutely. Great
call. Really do appreciate it. Sorry about the injuries you had there. Hope you heal up quickly. Sounds like you need to call an attorney on this one if there really was a problem.